You might be wondering what I'm doing. Well, recently I've really gotten into Shou Sugi Ban, which is a Japanese art form of sealing wood that they've done for thousands of years from what I can research up on. And what I'm looking to do is take this timber frame and be able to seal the bottom 2 foot of it that I've got to set into the ground. So I've recently been in contact and watched a couple of videos by the Great Plains craftsman. And if you don't know him, you should. Go look him up. And he kind of helped me out with trying to figure out a few things. A lot of people, when they do Shou Sugi Ban, they use a roof torch because it's obviously a lot easier than a smaller torch. Well, the issue is I don't have a roof torch, but I don't have to do a big area. I just have to do like a 2 foot section. So why not give it a try right here? I had this idea over the weekend when my family and I were doing a cookout, and so I'm gonna get this thing going and I'm gonna drop the bottom 2 foot of it in and get it a pretty good char on it that way, and then see if I can seal it. Seems to be working. So I'm going for that alligator char that they talk about, where it looks like alligator skin. Looking on this side here, I'll brush that down, and then I'm gonna throw one more thing into the mix, and then this thing should be able to stand for a really long time. So. Okay, so this is Shou Sugi Ban, and this is a way to treat untreated lumber that you're going to stick into the ground. And all credit goes to the Great Plains craftsman. I'm going to tag him in the notes down below, so please go check him out. He does an entire video on this, and I completely stole this idea from him. So I will take credit for stealing it, but I can't take credit for it. But go look Tim up, and he's an awesome guy. He's very helpful. But this is the way that people have been doing it for a long time. Burning and sealing the lumber up to the end. And then what I'm going to do is I've got a mixture of 50% diesel, 50% just used motor oil that I've mixed up, and I'm going to spread that on here, and that helps seal all of that up. And for what I need this post to do, which is be a sign in our yard, it's going to work for a really long time. So as you just watched, I took that rough brush and I knocked all the loose stuff off of it, and now I'm going to use this 50-50 mixture to just brush it on, and then it'll be ready to drop in the ground.